In this video, we'll show you how to program your key with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your key and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working key to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. You must have two working programmed keys before you can add a third key. If you only have one working key and want to add a second key, this procedure will not work. To begin the pairing process, using first programmed key, turn ignition to the on position for 3 seconds but no longer than 15 seconds. Do not crank engine. Turn key to off and remove. Within 15 seconds, insert second working programmed key. Turn ignition to the on position, do not crank engine. After 10 seconds, an acoustic signal will be heard and immobilizer warning lamp will flash. Turn key off and remove second programmed key. Within 60 seconds, insert the third new non-programmed key into ignition and turn to the on position. Do not crank engine. After 10 seconds, an acoustical signal will be heard and immobilizer warning lamp will illuminate for 3 seconds. Turn key to the off position and remove. Test keys. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.